In Python, the for loop is used to iterate over sequences. I will take on the value of each element in the list, one by one, in the order the elements appear in the list. In the first iteration, I equals 1. First iteration, I will be assigned the value 1 and any code inside the loop. For example, print I will execute using I equals 1. In the second iteration, I equals 2. Second iteration, I will be assigned the value 2, and the code inside the loop will execute using I equals 2. In the third iteration, I will be 3. Third iteration, I will be assigned the value 3, and the code inside the loop will execute using I equals 3. Let's go to Jupyter Notebook. Here we can see that in the first iteration, I will be 1. In the second iteration, I will be 2. In the third iteration, I will be 3.